In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with your calendar. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by automating those repetitive tasks that would otherwise take up a lot of your time. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do that now. On the homepage, you'll find a variety of options to choose from, including templates for popular apps. What we're interested in today is setting up an automated workflow with your calendar, so we'll continue our focus there. Next, click on the Automated Workflows section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a news app, which is essentially just an automated task. Click on this to start the process. As you venture here, note that it's the bedrock for customizing what you want to automate, so it's a significant step. The following step is to set a trigger. This is what initiates your automated workflow. Think of it like the starting gun of a race. Click on this to define what event will kick off your workflow. Once in the trigger setup, you're going to need to type in calendar in the search bar. This helps to filter the apps and find the right integration. Once you do that, you'll see a list of calendar applications that can be integrated. For our purposes, we are going to select Google Calendar. Simply click on it and you'll be prompted to choose an event associated with your Google Calendar. Events here can vary from new events being created to updates on existing ones. The next step is to choose New Calendar as your event type. This ensures that the workflow triggers whenever a new calendar event is added. Now you need to connect your Google Calendar to Zapier. Just click on Connect Google Calendar, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can pick the Google account you want to use. Choose the account and give the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your calendar data. After selecting your account and allowing the permissions, click on Continue. This is a safeguard step, making sure all is set before moving forward. Another Continue button will appear, reiterating the setup and giving you one more chance to confirm everything is in place. To finalize your trigger test, click on Test Trigger. This tests the connection and ensures that everything is working correctly. If all goes well, Zapier will confirm that the connection is perfect. With that, you've set up your Zap and linked it with your calendar, creating an efficient, automated system that will help streamline managing events. That's it for today's video. We've now set up a workflow using Zapier to automate any new events added to your Google Calendar. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps simplify your daily tasks.